And butterflies have been the thing that I enjoy drawing as much, but I have absolutely loved where it's taken me. But what underlines all of this is drawing. I also draw to remember things. So that's I love this sketchbook, and when it runs out, I'm going to be quite sad. Repetition. And drawing is one of those things. It's a skill. And as with all skills, you get better with practice. And it really is that. You get better with practice. The more you practice, the better you get. And you're just seeing if you've got that confidence to see where you can put your mark. If you get something that says a 2H, I always told the students, too hard. If it's going 3H, throw it away. 4H, take it to maths. This is a 9B. A 9B pencil is just really dark, and my goodness, does it smudge. So use wisely. So I'm holding it halfway down, and I'm just going to start really lightly, really light. How light can you go? And put a little bit more pressure on. But the pressure is not indenting the page. You don't want to hurt the paper. That's what I used to say to students. Just think it can hurt. Don't hurt it. It's a lovely bit of paper. Treat it with respect.
Sure.
I always start from the darker tone, because if you start from the lighter tone, you don't know, especially when you're drawing, how dark you've got to get, and you might get too dark too fast, then you can't go darker. If you work out your darkest tone first, you can go lighter much easier than you can go darker. Don't expect your drawing to be brilliant the first time. It doesn't work. Life doesn't work like that. It takes practice. Don't be judged by what other people think. Just have fun drawing and see what you can do with it.